Good morning, students. Today now let us start the new chapter, rational numbers. First definition of a rational number. A rational number which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. P and q value is integer and q not equal to 0. It is a definition of the rational number. 2 by 3 is a rational number, minus 4 by 5 is a rational number. Again, definition of the rational number. A rational number which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. We see in some property. First property, commutative property. Commutative property, a plus b equal to b plus a. A plus b equal to b plus a. Some examples, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 also written as 3 plus 2. Interchanging the value, a plus b equal to b plus a. 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 oda value 5. 3 plus 2 oda value 5. Therefore, a plus b value 5. B plus a oda value 5. Therefore, commutative property under addition is satisfied. Next, commutative property under multiplication, a into b equal to b into a. 2 into 4, 2 into 4 oda value 8. Interchanging the value, 4 into 2 equal to 8. Therefore, a into b oda value 8, b into a equal to 8. Therefore, commutative property satisfied under multiplication. But a minus b not equal to b minus a. Subtraction is not satisfied the commutative property. 5 minus 3 oda value 2, but 3 minus 5 oda value minus 2. Therefore, a minus b not equal to b minus a. Next, division is not satisfied the commutative property. A divided b not equal to b divided by a. 4 by 2 oda value 2, but 2 by 4 oda value 1 by 2. 2 not equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, commutative property is not satisfied under division. Also, a minus b is not equal to b minus a, but a minus b is also written as minus b plus a. Minus b plus a. A minus b is also written as minus b plus a. Write pannabdi. Next, distributive property under addition, a into b plus b. A into b plus c equal to, multiplying the common term, ab into ac. Ab plus ac. Next condition, a into b minus c. ab minus ac. A into b, ab minus ac. AB minus AC. It is a distribution property. Exercise 1.1. Using appropriate properties, find first question, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Solution. Question, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 is a one term. It is a multiplication value, is a one value. Another value, 5 by 2 is a second value. 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 is a third value. 1, 2, 3 values. A by b is also written as minus b plus a. Interchanging the pluses, minus b plus a. This value a, this value b. A minus b is also written as minus b plus a. 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2 minus b plus a. Next, using the distribution property, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. It is a one term, it is another term. 3 by 5 is a common term. Take out the common term in 3 by 5. The remaining term minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 3 by 5, the remaining term minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. 3 by 5. The denominator value is 6. The denominator value is 3. Multiplying numerator and denominator 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, minus 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. 3 by 5 into the denominator is same, adding numerator minus 4 minus 1 value minus 5. Minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 3 into 5 by 6 is a single value. Simplify the value. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. The denominator value is same, adding the numerator minus 1 plus 5. 5 minus 1 value 4. 4 by 2. Simplifying 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore, 2. 2 is the answer. Second question. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. This one value, second value, third value. 1 by 14 into 2 by 5, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. 2 by 5, 2 by 5 same. Therefore, interchanging the value, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. A minus B. Change A minus B. Take out the common term. 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 take out common term. The remaining term minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. The denominator value is 14. Therefore, the multiplying 2 numerator and denominator, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 by 14 minus, simplifying the value, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Therefore, 2 by 5 into denominator is same, adding the numerator minus 6 plus 1 value minus 5. Minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Simplifying the value, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. 2 into minus 1 value, again simplifying, 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. Therefore, 1 into 1 value 1, plus into minus, minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. The denominator is different, therefore cross multiplying is just method, not LCM method. 1 into 4 minus 4, 7 into 1 minus 7 by 7 4s are 28. A by B plus C by D equal to AD plus BC by BD. Cross multiplying, minus 4 minus 7 by 7 4s are 28. Minus 4 minus 7 adding minus 11 by 28. Therefore, the answer is minus 11 by 28. Next, the additive inverse of A by A is minus A by B. Plus out additive inverse minus A by B. Suppose the additive inverse of minus A by B is plus A by B. Next, second question. Write additive inverse of each of the following. Write additive inverse of each of the following. First question, 2 by 8. The additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. At the additive inverse of plus A by B value minus A by B. Therefore, the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Second question, minus 5 by 9. The additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9. Opposite symbol. Third question, minus minus cancel, simplifying 6 by 5. Therefore, the additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. The additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. Fourth, 2 by minus 9. 2 by minus 9. The additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. Fifth question, 19 by minus 6. The additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. Negative or opposite value, positive. The additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 9 by 6. Third question, verify that minus of minus x equal to x for subdivision. First question, x equal to 11 by 5, 15, 11 by 15. Solution, minus of minus x equal to x is equal to, write the question first. Apply the value x equal to 11 by 15 in the condition minus of minus the value of x is 11 by 15 equal to x order value 11 by 15. Minus into minus value plus 11 by 15 equal to 11 by 15. Therefore, left hand side value equal to right hand side value. Left hand side value equal to right hand side value. Hence, verified. The minus of minus x equal to x. Minus into minus plus x. Therefore, the minus of minus equal to x is verified. Second question, x equal to minus of minus 13 by 17. Condition, minus of minus x equal to x. Apply the value x equal to minus 13 by 17 in the plus minus x order value minus 13 by 17 equal to x. Apply the value x equal to minus 13 by 17 this place. First simplify this bracket, minus into minus plus outside by minus value, minus into minus plus 13 by 17 equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus into plus, these are the plus, minus into plus order value minus 13 by 17 equal to minus 13 by 17. Therefore, left hand side value equal to right hand side value. Therefore, hence verified the condition. Next, multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. The multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. Multiplicative inverse is a reciprocal value. It is a reciprocal value. Fourth condition, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First question, minus 13. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is 1 by minus 13. A reciprocal value 1 by a. Therefore, the minus 13 reciprocal value 1 by minus 13. Second question, minus 13 by 19. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is, the reciprocal value is 19 by minus 13. 19 by minus 13. Only reciprocal, not sign the change, sign change. Third question, 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. Therefore, the 1 by 5 reciprocal value is 5 by 1. 5 by 1 also written as 5. Therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. Fourth question, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Simplifying the value first, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15, 8 7s are 56. Therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. Reciprocal of 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. Fifth question, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Minus into minus plus 2 by 5. Therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. The multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Reciprocal 2 by 5 order reciprocal value 5 by 2. Fifth question, minus 1. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is 1 by minus 1.